Thanks for staying with us. Are you craving healthier snacks? How about combining fruits with other products? In this week's edition of the Business Review, the story of Zen Bowls. Here's Deidre Thomas.
Bananas, strawberries, honey, and peanut butter. Fresh ingredients blended together and made to order for every customer. Zen Bowls is the brainchild of CEO Mark Wright, who returned to Jamaica during the COVID-19 pandemic to plant fresh roots in the local food scene.
So I discovered acai bowls and looked into the health benefits of it. And I realized, yeah, man, this is something that Jamaica need. We can definitely have a positive impact on this, and got into nutrition a bit and realized that the gut is like our second brain, or some would say is a first brain.
Spotting this gap in the market for plant-based, nutrient-packed snacks, Mr. Wright decided it was time to stir things up. Sourcing fresh produce straight from the market, he crafted a menu inspired by his newfound passion for health and wellness.
We have some popular ones like the OG, that's a classic acai bowl that has granola, strawberry, banana, sunflower seeds. People typically put honey and coconut on that one too. And then a Tropic Thunder, which is our mango passion base.
Zen Bowls quickly became a fan favorite, especially during the summer months, which he describes as their high season when refreshing, healthy treats are hot in demand.
Our bowls are frozen, they're very thick. It's like a sorbet kind of texture.
To expand his reach, Mr. Wright has also taken Zen Bowls on the move with a mobile food truck. The truck also doubles as a catering option for events, making it a versatile extension of the business. But success wasn't without its fair share of spills and slips. Challenges forced him to step away for over a year, and breaking into Jamaica's uncharted market made spreading the word an uphill climb.
Finding the right people to join the team, people that want to join a startup.
Despite the setbacks, Mr. Wright mixed resilience into his recipe for success. His initial investment of $500 to purchase a blender is paying off as the business has grown exponentially.
Oh no, man, we've definitely 10x from when we just started. Initially it was 2, and now we are at about 8. So it was growth.
He's hungry for even greater opportunities. He says the recipe for success is never finished. There's always room to add more ingredients.
We are expanding into supermarkets, so we're getting bowls available to you in the freezer section. So when you're on the go, if you're just grabbing something in the store, you can take a bowl and just have that at home for you whenever you're ready.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.